Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about a new business plan that is Inner Export, and you can visit the website of this company www.innerexport.in for knowing more details about of this company. You can read the about of this Inner Export company. Inner Export is an e-commerce and affiliate marketing organization of India, and you can buy and sell in this company fashion items, electronics items and daily uses items. Inner Expert is about making business easy in India, and Inner Expert is a B2B and B2C trade platform. This is a company's website. It's used to sell electronic devices and daily use product by online. Payment can be made through credit card, debit card and net banking, and cash and delivery at Inner Export. You can see all kinds of legal documents of this company on the screen, and the mission vision of this company, and the joining package of this company starts from 354 rupees including 18% GST. And this company provides earning opportunity 600 shopping point as per product with package. After your joining, you will get six types of income like cashback income, 200 levels income, auto upgrade income, binary income, repurchase income and master income, and next incomes are coming soon. Aadhaar enabled services, all recharge, all bill payment, money transfer, all banking services, bus, train, flight bookings are the services of this company. And the shopping apps and partners are like Flipkart, Paytm, eBay, Amazon, Subclues, and Snapdeal. So friends, let's know about the upgrade income of this company. Here 9 sections, wonderful income with rank. In section 2, your export is star. From level 13 to 27, your total income is 700 rupees with auto upgrade. In section 3, your export is bronze. From level 28 to 42, your total income is 1500 rupees with auto upgrade. In section 4, your export is silver. From level 43 to 75, your total income is 3500 rupees with auto upgrade. In section 5, your export is gold, and from level 76 to 100, your total income is 7600 rupees with auto upgrade. In section 6, your export is diamond, and from level 101 to 125, your total income is 12,000 rupees with auto upgrade. In section 7, your export is master, and from level 126 to 150, your total income is 18,000 rupees with auto upgrade. In section 8, your export is ambassador, and from level 151 to 175, your total income is 25,000 rupees with auto upgrade. In section 9, your export is brand ambassador, and from level 176 to 200, and your total income is 35,000 rupees with auto upgrade. Friends, there is no need to invest again to upgrade here, and upgradation charges is 10% deduct from your income. So friends, section 1 is your export, and in level 1 your amount will be 50 rupees. In level 2 your amount will be 30 rupees. In level 3 and 4 your amount will be 10 rupees. In level 5th and onwards, your amount depends upon the number of your level. Like in level 5, so your amount will be fifth 5 rupees, and and in level 6 your amount will be 6 rupees, and so on. So friends, in section 2, your upgradation charges is 700 rupees, and the same rule applies here. Like your amount, whatever your amount is, depends upon only on your number of levels. Like level 16, your amount is 16. Level 17, your amount will be 17. Level 18, your amount will be 18, and so on. In section 3, your upgradation charges is 1500 rupees, and here is also same rule applies. In section 4, your upgradation charges is 3500 rupees with silver, and here is also same rule applies. Like your level, whatever your number of levels is, depends upon the is same is the amount. Like in level 73, your amount will be 73, and your level is 74, then your amount will be 74, and your level 75 is your income will be also 75, same as per your number of level. uh, so friends, next know about the Section 5 is your gold, and here is the upgradation charges is 77,600 rupees. And here is also in section 5 total up to level 100, and your amount is also same, the number of level. And in section 6 is your diamond level, and your upgradation amount is 12,000 rupees. And your whatever your number of level is same as your amount. And in section 7 is your master, and your upgradation charges is 18,000 rupees. And here is also same rule applies as per above. And next level is your section 8 is ambassador, and your upgradation charges is 25,000 rupees. Here is also same rule applies. And in section 9 is your brand ambassador level, your upgradation fees is 35,000 rupees. Here is up to 200 level, and the number of level is as same as the amount. Like in level 189 your amount is 189, your level is 190, then your amount is 190. In your level is 191, then your amount will be same 191, and so on up to 200 level. So friends, you will also get master income, and you will get 100 rupees from unlimited depth, here no capping. And you will also get 100 rupees from all first to down line unlimited depth. Friends, next is your optional as your choice opportunity is 2,124 rupees including 18% GST, and your club joining is 2,100 rupees plus 18% GST is total 2,478 rupees. You can buy product as for opportunity, and your organization opportunity, here you will get matching income up to 5%. First pair count 1:2 and 2:1, and your next level count is 1:1. And here you will get daily capping 1800 rupees. Friends, here you will also get redeemable point income. In level 1 you will get 0.50 point, in level 2 you will get 0.75 point, in level 3 you will get 1 point, in level 4 you will get 1.25 point, in level 5th you will get 1.50 point, in level 6 you will get 1 point, in level 7 you will also get 1 point, you will in level 8 you will get 1 point, in level 9 you will get 1 point, and in level 10 you will get 1 point income. 10 direct compulsory for earning in organizational plan, and capping rupees 12,000 including organization income, payout daily, distribution weekly. And here is special magic: if you cross the unit of 12,000 rupees, then your ID will be automatically retop up with 2,100 rupees. You will get every time generation income and repeat organization income. Remaining balance amount will be withdrawal on your own account. Friends, you will also get repurchase income in level 20. Project partnership income is coming soon, and you can see the office location of Inner Expert of company and on the screen. And you can attend the Zoom meeting, and here the ID and password is available daily 8 p.m. And that's all about the business plan. And if you are interested to join in this plan and to get more and more benefits from this company, then you can contact the number which is displaying on the screen. And if you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching the